Welcome to the Nevermore car show, guys. Welcome to Nevermore. First time doing this show. Some very tasty cars on the show. As you can see, the cars go all the way back as far as back down there. So I'll give you a walk around. Nice GTR there. That's Lytham Hall. An old school classic Porsche there. It's clean. There. A little starlet, Toyota starlet. (964) R34 Ben there. Nice little R34, old school that. Is that a Legacy? Subaru Legacy there. An old school Renault 5. That's clean. Another 911. That's a 944. Got the Sato group there. They're in full force. Got quite a few cars here today. Got an old RX-7. Japanese style. Must be an import that. Oh God, very clean. Very clean. Got an old school Honda. See that this woman over there? She's got a dog in a pram. It's mad as that, isn't it? Hot rod. Tyres. Right guys, we're back. Back to dinner. Just get you out some cars. Got a nice clean GTR there. To the GTR. Is this a Kia Hyundai? Cleaning it. An Audi, old school Audi. Right there. Hydraulics, lay and play. I mean, of course, there's some questionable ones, you know, like that. An old Escort van, it's clean. Very clean. Got a lot of MX-5s. A lot of MX-5s. That's clean as well, the Merc. Loving them wheels. E350 on bags of them wheels. Quite nice, ain't it? Love them wheels. Got bag day 5. All that minute. Let's take this hoodie off. Bloody wow.
You're still filming?
Yeah, still filming. Put back the car in a minute. Go to that GTI over there. Aston Martin. There's a Vanquish. Got a little estate Golf R-Wagon. An MR2. Very clean that. Carbon GTR, Nissan GTR. That carbon. Hell. common enough, isn't that? It costs a bit of money, that, you know. Another skyline there. Got an old TT. What, Mark 1, Mark 2 is it? One of them? That's clean, very clean. Quite fancy. Spinny wheel. They got a Lupo. An old school GTR. Another one. Quite nice old school Beamer. Then you got diesel Evans. These Audi A1. Nice S2000. It's very clean. I love one of these, an S2000. Rear wheel drive. Yeah, that's where we are, Lytham Hall. I'm hoping we're going to be able to go in there in a minute, have a walk round. Some R36s here, very clean, very clean. This one goes to unfazed. I love the brown interior, very clean. Recognise that one? Goes to unfazed. There you got another one. R36 Dan, another clean one. You got Danny over there. Nice old clean red Golf. Some stunning cars. Some stunning cars. A Focus ST. A VRS. It's nice and clean on them wheels. Interior's nice on Alia. I think we had a red interior, it didn't grow on you. I said that Audis and BMs come with red. Stop thing. Got another MX-5 there. Tell you what, if you want an MX-5, I think you'd fit in here, whether it's lowered or not. Got a nice GR86 Toyota, very clean. Okay, this is clean as well. Very clean. Bit of a rally car that. Old Golf. Acura. What's an Integra? Integra type R. Yeah. Nice clean Scooby. Got Jaguar handbags. As clean as that. That is clean. Another R36. Clean Civic there. We've got this yellow Evo. This is clean as well, very clean. And you got this Mark 4. Is it Mark 3 or Mark 4 Golf? Love them wheels, love them rotiforms. Love that. There you got an old school silver there. Oh, you got a stunning Mark 7 Golf GTI here on here. Carbon bonnet. And rotiforms, don't know who that is, but stunning. Oh wait, that's mine. Jokes. Then you got a 1 Series, that's clean. Then you got another silver there. Got another one on hydraulics there. Old school Civic, an EK. Nice colour that. I'll have a look at this one in a minute when this guy stopped taking pictures. Clean is that, very clean. An old school Nissan. Got an E90 there. E93 is it, I think. Another TT. Aretha, MX5. I've got the startlet. Clean is that? Very clean. Another MX5. Phil Badger will be loving it. Huh? Where'd you put my hoodie? Where'd you put my hoodie? In your car? Best be. Oh yeah, I forgot we moved up there, didn't we? Huh? Got an old school Jeep Cherokee there, a Volvo. This silver's clean, very clean. Apart from the curb mark, but we won't talk about that, because mine's got curb marks. Got a little silver there. Ugh. See, they're trying to keep the fashion going, aren't they? They're trying to keep the trend going. The modified scene. You know, fair play to. You got clean caddy there. Very clean. This is where I was. I was here, but we got out this dark corner. So you got an older Ibiza there, Cura, another Honda, another MX5, another MX5, another MX5. Love the shape though. Do like that one over there, the burgundy. Do love them wheels. Nice wheels them. Got Suzuki Swift. Keeping the Suzukis alive. Clean wheels them, aren't they? CRX, old school that. old school. Little Toyota. New Toyota Supra. And Honda Civic. Nissan Micra. Datsun. Nissan Chevy. That. Clean as that. That's another one. It's clean. That's the front of the Datsun. Clean Audi. And the rotors. Another EK Civic, Type R. It's nice, isn't it? Let's go with it.
It's just hanging around.
Yeah. So if any oil comes up, yeah, in the tank. Yeah, but then you just protect the other end of that to the exhaust. The other end of that.
Renault Megane. Very old school Merc.